The government would like to inform the United States of a new virus spreading across the nation like wildfire. This virus is known as African rabies. African rabies is caused by mutated strain of rabies due to its origin and transmission method. Symptoms of African rabies may be immediate pain. If you see someone in your family or in the street starting to spaz or shake on the floor, we ask you stay in your house and stay away from anyone who might have symptoms of African rabies. To stay safe, always have a weapon on you at all times. Remember, anything can be used as a weapon. Turn off all electronic devices. The infected usually run in big herds of about hundreds at a time. The infected usually runs at about 20 to 30 miles per hour. It takes exactly 12 seconds for a human to fully transform into the infected. The infected will bite, hit, and scratch anyone they come across. This will cause the victim to also turn into the infected. The African rabies is now one of the most deadly things on Earth. There is about 10,000 citizens currently infected with African rabies in the world, most of them coming from America. If you see the infected in your home, street, building, or store, just